I spent small amount, and my 2008 Honda looks like it rolled off the lot this year. No paint job, no body work. Here's what actually made the difference. First thing, the headlights. They go yellow over time and make any car look ancient. A restoration kit takes 20 minutes, and they're crystal clear again. Next, the interior trim. Those faded plastic bits around the dashboard? A heat gun and trim restorer brought them back to black. Then I swapped the stereo for a touchscreen unit with CarPlay. Suddenly, the whole cabin feels 10 years newer. You don't need a new car, just smart upgrades. Build it right. Enjoy it longer. Remember the name, Lee's AutoLife.